Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a contact on email app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your email application, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is to know how to download the email app. So how can you download the email app? You can get the email app on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type email and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page for email. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on email. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add a contact on email app. From this page, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the contact icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. It takes you to this window where you have new contact, call history, new group chat, global web call, channel, and file transfer. Go ahead and click on new contact. Once you click on new contact, it takes you over here. Now you can add using a phone number. So just add the phone number of the person that you want to add on email. Ensure that the person is on email. Once you add the phone number, go ahead and click on this add button and the person is going to be sent the request. Or you can head over to email ID tab, click on the email ID tab and enter the person's email ID. And once you do that, go ahead and click on search and you'll be able to search a friend that you can now add. Or you can invite friends on WhatsApp by clicking on this invite friends WhatsApp icon, where you can now invite friends to join you on email. Now, once you send out any friend request, they're going to be displayed here. So just like this person, this Mukahit Sandli that I already sent a friend request to, as you can see, it's pending. This person has not accepted my friend request yet, so that's why it's pending. So all your pending requests are going to be displayed here. So once the person accepts your request, you can now start having conversations with the person on email. So this is pretty much how you can add a contact on email app. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.